Good morning, KVision Family. I'm thinking of you this day. Sorry for the short notice that we have changed and altered the session for a little bit. Tomorrow we have a very special day, and that is for our group to come together to celebrate and have a photo shoot. We've not done that before, but I think, we have been crazy with the passion of the vision that we have, the common vision that we have, and it's time to show the world that we mean what we say. I was just driving and I have a new inspiration, very encouraging inspiration, and thought I'd share with you through video since I can't see you today. Remember the story that I told you that prior to joining Atomy, I had a dream. And in that dream, I was running forward and I met someone on my right who is sort of like not well, crippled. I knew that that person is also running forward like me, but needed some support. So I actually stood down and bring him up on my right and help him to go forward to the finishing line. So we were happy. He was very happy. He was very grateful that I'm helping. And to show his gratefulness, after a while when we were running forward, he bent down and he picked another person that was on his other side. That surprised me, because to support someone that is not well is a hard work. In life, I think we constantly feel that burden is something that you carry alone, and it's always very heartwarming to have someone come forward to help you. We all need that. You need that, and I need that. So the act of kindness of helping that person paid off, because he himself, although he's half dependent on me, he's also giving his other half that is good to help another person on his side. So that dream went on and on, whereby a whole string of people on the right were supported. We support one another. We are not perfect, but we have a warm heart and we are moving forward despite constraints and difficulties and adversity and what you call. Life-changing moment happens when someone comes forward to help you. We need to help one another. With that, if you remember, I said I felt embarrassed that I have two healthy hands and I should be helping with on the other side of my hand that is not doing anything. So I went ahead and helped the person on my left also. And the same thing repeats on the person on my left. Is handicapped, is not perfect, but has got a heart and intent to succeed and intend to run as well despite the handicap. I only have one pair of hands, so I would be careful who I can help, because I can't help anybody else because I only have one side of my hand available. So I did pick up someone who in turn picked up many, and together we were going forward. We were laughing, we're having a good time, encouraging one another, thick and thin. We stretched over each other. We crossed the finishing line, and I saw a straight line ahead, and we were all looking forward to that straight line, and together we actually crossed the finishing line. I was reminded again this morning, a lot of things cross my mind when I drive, when I take a shower. Those are inspiration moments. And it is so vivid that I cannot deny what I'm going through now at the center is similar to what I saw in my dream. I know each of you are suffering. I know each of you are crossing life challenging moments. And I know that your heart is also to be here and to finish the line with the vision that we have on the platform Atomy. And I'm here to support you. I'm here to cry with you. I'm here to know that you have my understanding and my care, my love for you. I do see and I hear you, and I know that some of you have fallen temporarily, but you will come up. You will be picked up. I'm sure you will be picked up. Just be hopeful and stay hopeful and stay focused. I know that we are picking each other up. It is something which will happen when you don't give up. So I hope to see you all tomorrow, to have our time together and to have our arm locked with one another to cross the finishing line. Go crazy! See you tomorrow. Bye.